Hi friends, welcome to Elnaz English Academy. Today we're learning action verbs in the simple present tense. When we talk about ourselves, we use I plus the verb. It's super easy. For example, I jump, I run, I paint, I skate. Now let's learn these verbs with fun pictures and examples. Are you ready? Let's go. I jump high in the air. I run fast in the park. I walk slowly to school. I clap my hands loudly. I read a fun storybook. I write my name on the paper. I sing my favorite song. I dance to the happy music. I swim across the pool. I clean my messy room. I cook a yummy breakfast. I draw a big, colorful rainbow. I cry when I feel sad. I smile at my friends. I shout when I'm excited. I wave to my family. I hop on one foot. I fly a kite in the windy park. I build a sandcastle at the beach. I swing high on the swing set. I feed the ducks at the pond. I paddle a boat on the calm river. I look at the bright sky. I shout hooray at the fireworks show. I ride the carousel at the amusement park. I ride my bike in the park. I ski down the snowy hill. I eat pizza for dinner. I eat popcorn at the movie theater. You've just learned more than 30 action verbs with clear example sentences in under 4 minutes. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Your support helps the channel grow and lets me create even more fun lessons for you. See you next time, bye.